Hello and welcome to my professional practice reflective presentation. This presentation will be about my year so far and beyond. I will be using the model what, so what, and now what. I will start with my decision to return to university. I will start with the what. Making the decision to return to university was a difficult one. I decided it was time for a change. I had been working in a job I did not like. I needed to make positive action towards a career that I could be proud of. The so what. Returning to university while working provided challenges that I had not faced previously. Financial pressures as well as time pressures provided a challenge to overcome. The now what. I feel like taking the risk has provided a confidence that I did not previously have. There is a strength in knowing that you are doing your best and providing a better future for yourself. I'm enjoying the course, which has shown me that I'm making the right decision. To move forward for the future, I feel like it's important to fully commit to each assignment and give it my best. Despite time constraints, I must prioritise my studies in order to succeed. Moving on to reflecting on my work life. The what. So currently I'm working at F&F as a customer assistant on the shop floor. So what? I currently work 30 hours a week while studying, which provides a challenge. Keeping up with assignments and just generally staying on task has been very difficult and at times overwhelming. I enjoy going to work, but I know my current role is not fulfilling and I must move on. Now what? I must continue to attempt to find a better balance of work, education and life. It's important that the Masters is prioritised as I know the significance for my future. The first assignment for the organisation model was a group assignment. Working as a group is not something I have previously struggled with. However, I feel in this project there was a range of strong personalities and it was very difficult to create a piece of work with one voice. The aim was to create an individual contribution but with an overall collective responsibility. This is something I feel we did not achieve. The assignment was only a partial success and improvements can be made with communication and collaboration. However, I feel what I have learnt during this project is invaluable. I learnt a significant amount about my personality type in relation to management. This learning provides future opportunities for group work to develop in the future. The second project for organisation involved finance. It was an individual case study focusing on business problem solving and profit and loss and finance calculations. So what? This involved learning new skills in mathematics and finance that I had not previously acquired by past study. Keeping up with the new information was a challenge and provided an essential look into the key skills needed to be a working buyer in the industry. Now what? The assignment was extremely difficult but also interesting. My previous educational history included design and art and drawing and creative studies. This project provided a challenge for me to look at analytical data and create problem-solving solutions, something which I would be doing on a daily basis in the workplace. I feel like despite my insecurity in this area due to lack of previous study, it wasn't an area I struggled with as much as I thought I would. It is an area I should go forward with more confidence with in the future. Obviously I need more practice and research, but I feel like this is something that is achievable. The next project I would like to reflect on is product. The assignment for this unit involved creating a product to fit within a brand that considered environmental development on the high street. I entered into this project with confidence, as my previous educational background in textile design provided a comfort zone. The skills I feel were required were strengths of mine. The use of design software such as Illustrator and InDesign I had previously mastered. It's an underestimated skill that not everyone has, and my previous degree gave me entry-level skills in these areas. Now what? To develop and practice using the software will only benefit my future prospects. To gain confidence about my current skill and optimistic about my ability to translate these skills into the workplace. I should work on feeling competent and acknowledge the potential that I have. The professional practice module provided the opportunity for career development and skill building to aid with employment. This I feel was very beneficial, as the aim of the Masters was to guide us into employment post-study. So what? Creating a new CV with a creative element to help me stand out, alongside learning about the importance of managerial abilities and learning about reflective thinking, will help me become a better member of the workforce once finishing studying. Now what? To use a reflective thinking model to aid decision making and development of ideas will help me grow and develop as an individual as well as a member of a team. I've developed an understanding for learning from each life experience to inform the next. So, the future. What has it all meant and what can I do with it? What? My year so far has been full of challenges and insecurities, doubting myself and doubting my future. However, with new skills learned, I have been aided and my ability to visualise my future has strengthened. So what? I have a newfound confidence and an ability to communicate my ideas. Public speaking and communication are not strengths I had. However, I feel like I am moving forward. Now what? It is important to develop these communication skills and personal skills to become a fully rounded job candidate in the future.